Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the hard drive, loosen the screw and unlatch the side cover. Slide the cover off the system to remove it. Unplug the hard drive cables and lift the hard drive out of the system. Unlatch the hard drive to fully disconnect it. To reinstall the hard drive, relatch it and place it back in the system. Reconnect the hard drive cables. Place the side cover back on the system and relatch it. Tighten the screw to secure it. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.